I'm Dr. Darnita L. Payden, and my purpose is to educate, encourage, and enlighten. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. I am so excited. If you remember, I did a video called Is Change Good, where I talked about not being pigeonholed into doing one thing on my channel. I wanted to be free to do, well, you know, basically whatever I wanted to do on my channel. So I've done some cooking videos, and I'm about to do an unboxing video. I finally, after a billion years, got a MacBook. So I have a Mac Air. I've been a Windows kind of person since I've used computers, and I'm super excited. Now I promise you, I am a nerd. I'm a very proud one, but this won't be anything about, you know, I can tell you what the specs are, but this will be the first time I've actually literally had a MacBook and seen one in person, and we'll get to use it. So it won't be anything, you know, extraordinary, but I'm just going to open it and see what it looks like, and I thought I would just record that and let you come along with me. And if you have any tips or tricks that I should know about using the Mac Air, I would definitely appreciate it. But yeah, I just thought it would be fun to do that. So from this point on, you will just see the actual box unboxing, opening it up, turning it on, and there may be a squirrel or two. I'm not sure. I can't guarantee. She's here. Does anyone else do that? The things you get, you name them girl names. This is Empire Building Mac right here. Say hello. So this is the 13-inch MacBook in space gray. It has 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of SSD. And this is just a fun video for me to make. Obviously, I am not a techie. I am a proud nerd, but I'm literally just going to open it, see what it does, and call it a day. There are lots of great channels out there on YouTube, in the YouTube land, that will help you to learn how to use them and, you know, what's great about them. I liked it because it was compact, it was on sale, and I'm still in the no buy January because I actually ordered this in December. It just took a while to get here. So let's just go ahead and open it right up. Okay, so, and the glare is horrible. You can tell I'm not a professional unboxer because I don't have the fancy table, or I don't, and I keep looking down at the actual box. I'm gonna put her down right there. And just go ahead and open her. Yes, open her. Okay, there it is without the wrapping. And they put all of that on the back. Gives you the specs on the back. All right. Okay. And let's see. I think I'll make this difficult. Tell me, don't make it difficult. We're recording for the people. Okay. Okay. So here it is. Yay, we did it! So this is what it looks like in the box. Okay. And then they give you this little flap to pull it out of the box, and let's see what's in there. So it's again actually and they wrap it in a protective little film right here. That is horrible when you're trying to film on the YouTube. Okay. Again, there she is, and let's see what's in the box. Okay. So real life, that came flying out. That's the charger. And then they give you the cord, and there was a little information package that just went straight down to the floor. So we're going to keep on going with that. That was hilarious, or as I say, hilarious. All right, and it has the Apple logo on the front. This thing is super thin. Now, as I may have said already, I am coming from the world of Windows, where I'm used to having, you know, a workout with my computers because they were so heavy and so big. But this is, it's tiny. It's, okay, all right, okay, yeah, all right. And then let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, well now, they give you a little greeting. And then okay, another protective film. Take that off and it shows everything. But let's see. So it's okay. There we are. Oh, okay. Let me turn it around and see what that's telling me to do. Oh, okay. Well, that's going to be it because it's going to take me through, you know, setting it up.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay. She started talking. We're going to talk to her about respect, that when mom is talking that she does not talk. Yeah, okay. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. This is very short, just a very fun video to say that I am now officially an Apple. I had the Apple phone, now I have the Mac. You all who know the word of prayer, pray for me. Hopefully the learning curve is pretty easy. Okay, and it also comes with designed by Apple in California. All right, and let's see what's in here. It's just a little booklet. Oh, and they give you some Apple stickers. All right, I don't know what they're for. All right, well, there you are. A little information package. Why do they always put the warranty in the smallest letters possible? I already told you all that my eyes are old. Then Apple goes and sends the teeny tiny ant writing. But the warranty card is included as well with, as I already showed you, or you may have seen or may not have seen, this little informational booklet. I guess it just tells you, oh yes, it says welcome. Thank you, they're very kind over there at Apple. So again, this was unlike any unboxing you've probably ever seen. It will probably be my last because, yeah, it was fun though. So there you have it. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, I am not a tech channel, don't plan on being one, but it was fun to just, you know, have the computer and open it up and see what it did and what it looked like, and it had that new computer smell. So thank you for taking the time to stop by my channel today. Before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. And do me one favor, tell at least 5 people you know about my channel. I will greatly appreciate it. If you would like more information or a free consultation, please feel free to visit me at drdclutter.com. That's Dr. the letter D, the word clutter.com. It'll be in the description box. And if no one has told you today how awesome you are, I want you to know that you are absolutely, positively awesome. Take care. God bless. Bye.